Hello everybody, my name is David and I'm going to show you how to install Laravel. First of all, we have to download some programs. The first one is Composer. It's our program that we are going to use in order to create some projects. We go here, download, and we have to download this Composer setup. This is the first program. And the second one is the Git. That is our terminal, the terminal that we are going to use. We go here in downloads and we choose our operating system, which is Windows in this case. Save it. And okay, first we have to install Composer. That is really simple. We only wait a minute. Okay, we choose install for all users. We choose yes. Nets. Here we are able to choose which server we want to use. In this case, I only have this one, but if you have one, for example, you can use it. Nets, 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 and it's installing. It's okay. Finish, and we are going to install the second one, which is Git. Okay. Yes. We read it if we want. Next. Here we are going to use the default nets. Here we have to choose this one because we need to work with PowerShell. That is a tool from Windows. Nets, 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 and we disable this. Or well, we can leave it, install it. I'm going to show you. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to set up Visual Studio Code to run it. We look in the internet from. We have to find how to install the bash on Visual Studio Code. So we search it and we go here. Okay, integrate terminal. Okay, it's here. If we want to change our default terminal to the bash one that we download here, we have to change the configuration. For example, here in Windows, we can change it with git bash. Okay, we open Visual Studio Code, and for this we have to go we choose File, Preferences, and Settings. Here we have to go in this application. We choose Edit Settings JSON, and here we have to add another line, which is the one that we copied before. We paste it, and now we have to restart the Visual Studio Code. So we close it and we open it again. So as we can see, save it. Now we have to go to terminal the new one, a new one, and here we can see that we have another terminal instead of the default one. So now we have to look for the file that we have on the server, which is ht dots. In order to run it, so to look for it, we have to write on the terminal ls la, which give us the directory. So we choose cd, the dsc. Now we are in it, and we have to choose where the file is in some ht dots. So we trace the root with cd samp. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, cd samp. Okay, now we are in, and we have to look for. Okay, we are in. So we have to go to ht dots. I made a mistake. ht dots. Let me see what is ht. Oh, I'm sorry. ht dots. Sorry. Okay. Now we are in. So here we are going to create the project. For that we have to write composer create project Laravel / Laravel, and the project name, which could be, I don't know, my first Laravel. We press enter, and it's gonna take a while, so I'm going to speed the video. Now that we have we have created the new project, we can go here and look for my first Laravel, which is this one. As we can see, it's a lot of files. well, now we have two options to access to it. The first one is open it directly. Okay, in XAMPP, H dot. My first Laravel project. Okay, and here we have the Laravel. We can access to them. We write in the root, which is localhost. I made a mistake. Okay, localhost. My first Laravel, and here we have public, and here we have the Laravel running, but it's not recommendable to run it in this way. We have two options more, but we are going to choose the second one, which is writing using the server that Laravel has. We only have to write PHP artisan serve, and we got this, which is our root directly, and we can paste it here, and we have access. So this is the way that we can create new Laravel projects, which is really easy, and that's it.